Hello, today we will be showing you how to make the One Piece Gear 2 in Roblox Studio. So first of all, you need to boot up your studio. I've already done that and I've made a plain base plate with a few bits and bobs, not much. And first of all, you need to head into script service and add a normal script, okay? You can call it whatever, but I've called it gear placement stats for the video, and I'll have the code in the description, but I'm going to explain it to you because it's better as you'll learn it as we go on. So what this does is it creates a folder within the player called gears folder, and it will also create values within the folder called bool values, which are true or false. And these bool values will automatically be set false and they'll be within the folder. And it just goes on and on and on, and you can remove that if you want because it's just a print to see if it works, as you see. Alright, but once you've copied that down, you head into starter player scripts, and add in a local script. You can call this local script whatever you want, but I'm going to call it Gear 2 for the sake of this video, and I'll have the code in the description. But basically what it's doing is whenever you press the key G, you can change that to whatever you want to, it will activate the gear 2. So it will set the value of gear 2 to true. It will do a while wait 1 loop, which means it will wait 1 second, loop, wait 1 second, loop, and what it does is it creates a variable for the humanoid, which is the part of the player that holds all the data, and I've done this because I'm adding a cutscene, okay, for it. You don't need to add a cutscene, you can just remove this wait 10 from the script, but basically what it does is it takes the humanoid and it makes it take 0.45 damage. It will also up the walk speed of the humanoid. You can change these values to whatever you want to, as long as this is in parameters. Next, I have audio, alright, in it. So for audio, all you need to do is go to workspace, add in a sound, and for this sound, I've called it gear 2, and I've also created a variable for the sound. There's the ID for it. I'll leave a link in the description. It's not that great. You could probably go find one yourself or make one, but it's one of my best ones, I guess. And what it does, and you can adjust this whatever, but it just makes the gas sound effect from when he's using gear 2. Next, it will just play this audio, okay? So it will find if the gear 2's value is true, which means like we have gear 2 on, and the audio is false, so like it's not playing. I've created a variable for that, wherever that is. And oh yeah, up here, right? So you can create a variable for that. It will be in the code already. And once you've done that, it will play it. It will make sure it's looped. You can change that if you want to. You can change it to false. You can change it to whatever. It will make sure its playback speed is 1.1, just to make it a little faster. Hopefully everyone can use the audio. The audio update's been really annoying, and half of the audio is practically gone. So hopefully it's under 6 seconds, or Roblox sees it under 6 seconds, and you can actually use it. But next, if you're in gear 2 and if your health is 0 or less, this is just to make sure that like if it goes past negatives, if it goes past 0, like -1 in that, it will still function. Then it will its value will be set false. It will stop playing the audio and it will break the loop, meaning that it will stop the loop. See this loop up here? Right? It will stop all of that, okay, until you press G again. And you can change practically any of these values apart from like the variables. Those are quite important. And yeah, let me test it out. So we head to play and let's see how it works. So for me, if I hit G, alright, wait 1 second, or I need to wait 10 seconds, so just give it some time. Okay, I'll fix this. Gear 2. Alright, let me fix this so that you don't have to deal with that. There. Alright, this should function now. This is a very quick and easy tutorial. You just need to paste in everything in that. And as you can see, here we go. See, it ups my movement speed. I don't know what's going on with my health. I think that happens a few times. Let me just quickly check if my health is actually being decreased. Humanoid. Let's see. Ooh, wait, isn't it? Oh yeah, my health is being decreased. It is being decreased. You just can't see it. I think that's a bit buggy. Because of how slow and low it is. That's why I'd recommend upping it to a higher value. But yeah, that's how it works. You can also change your skin color, right? That's a bit more confusing to do that. You need to get the player's head, and you need to worry about the rig types like R6 and R15, which are really just hard to function because this is also a day and night cycle that I've made. I'll make a tutorial on that later. But yeah, happy scripting and goodbye.